The Assam Diwas is celebrated on 5th March, 12 August, 23rd October, 2nd December. Right answer is 2nd December. Lachit Diwas is celebrated on 13 June, 18 September, 22 October, 24 November. The right answer is 24 November. Which one is the first mobile theatre of Assam? Natras Theatre, Angul Theatre, Kohinoor Theatre, Avan Theatre. Right answer is Kohinoor Theatre. Which one was the second film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwal? Joymoti, Indramaloti, Manumati, Shiraj. Right answer is Indramaloti. Who directed this film Shakuntala? Babindranath Shoikia, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Vidyut Chakraborty, Jyoti Prasad Agarwal. Right answer is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. In which year was the Bodo Sahitya Sabha founded? 1952, 1956, 1959, 1970. Right answer is 1952. Lakshminath Bejbura is honored with Soroswaraj by Assam Sahitya Sabha in the year 1917, 1922, 1928, 1931. Right answer is 1931. In which year National Games was held in Assam? 2002, 2004, 2005, 2007. The right answer is 2007. Who is the first barrister of Assam? Holiram Deka, Pranab Kumar Bora, Anandaram Borua, Parul Das. The right answer is Anandaram Borua. The first book to win Sahitya Academy Award? Yarungam, Bonoful, Alaknanda, Pitaputra. The right answer is Bonoful.